Who's in here? Oh, you kissing baby Jacques. Oh, you're so sweet. Who's in here, Amelia? Who's in here? Oh, he's moving. Can you say Jacques? Jacques? That's right. Oh, you gave him a kiss. You're so sweet. Oh, sweet girl. Who's in here?
Me?
Who's in Mama's belly?
There.
Jacques? He's so sweet. Can you give him a hug? Give him a hug. Oh, and a kiss. He's so sweet.
Over there?
Ah!